Well, welcome back to my channel. I'm of course Ferrari King, and we're not playing any games, obviously. I want to do this video on, if you have a problem with your gold wireless headset, the sound keeps coming in and out, cutting in and out. I found one way to fix it. I can't guarantee it will work every time on it for everybody, but it worked for me. As you'll notice, well, you probably can't see on mine. Let's see. Sorry about how I'm doing the video. I'm not the best at it, but you probably can't see it. But there's like a little hole there. First thing you want to do, take like a toothpick or something. Don't go too just jam it in, but gently do that. Resets that. One of the reasons why I've noticed that sound might go up, once you plug it into your YouTube thing, and there, take your controller. Sorry about this. I know my videos aren't all. This isn't too great. I don't have the skills that some people have. I know that. But you hit the mute button, hit the VSS button. First you press it and hold it down for like 5 seconds, and let's see if I can get this. Oh, I'm sorry. And you turn this. You finally turn it on, and after that, it should work. And the sound should hopefully not. Sometimes what happened the last time that did this to me, the first couple of times the sound still cut out, and then after 2-3 times it stopped doing it. It's just a problem. Now this is not going to fix all the problems. Sometimes your sound's cutting in and out. Might be something else. Alright. And one thing I noticed, if you have your headset and you go too far away from this, and it cuts out as you go to another room way in the back of your house or anything like that, that kind of increases the chance of stuff like that happening. Well, I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share and watch my other videos. Check out the description for a link to my website where I sell ebooks for 99 cents. Hopefully I can get this game, and this game beaten soon enough. This has to be beaten by the end of the year. This one's being a pain. That one's actually fun as hell. But anyways, thanks for watching.